Hey guys, what's up? What's up? It's another beautiful day. I'm so happy to be here. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? I'm sorry, I don't know. There is this good vibe I have right now. I guess I just miss you all. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? Good to have you all. It's a beautiful Sunday, so let us make some money. Let us move. Let us see what the market is about to offer. Guys, don't forget to mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? You are free to tell me how is your Sunday night? How is your Sunday? Let us watch out for some crazy moves. Thank you. Girl, me too. Hey. So let us see how today it's gonna turn out. Don't forget to mark your attendance. And did you execute, guys, any trades today? Traders in the building, did you execute any trades today? Or you are just chilling? I mean, I also spend most of the times on Sundays just chilling. So let's see how this goes. Our first two trades for the night. All right. We'll get a plus here. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is already setting momentum for the night. It is clear that it's gonna be cool. Let's see how it goes. All right, I see you all. I see you guys. I see someone from South Africa. Good to have you, Daniel. Good to have you all. My. I love that you really. I love it that you really here on time. Tell me how is your Sunday, guys? Tell me how is your Sunday so far? Tell me nothing. All right, Jerome, good to have you. Abdallah. All right. So let us move. Cameroon, good to have you all, guys. I see you already on time. So let us see how today goes. And tell me nothing. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? All right. Tell me, guys. Tell me something. How was your day? Someone take me through how your day was. Were you all just home chilling? Did you look at your charts? Guitar. All right. Good to have you all. And you know how we do it. We are here for good vibes, but more so, we are also going to learn something. So if you want to refine your entries, you want to refine your strategy, you want to learn something, just get a notebook because I'm going to be giving you some tips. But guys, for now, traders in the building, tell me how you spent your Sunday. You know, when I was still a beginner, I never used to have day offs. Actually, I remember Sundays. Some Sundays I would just go meet up with a fellow trader and we just be talking markets. I'm okay. And on my best behavior for tonight. Nobody else. How was the Sunday long for you, Trevor? Tell me, tell me. Why are you saying your Sunday was long? And guys, don't forget, as we are chatting, as we are all sharing experience, we also look out to the market. Yeah. So let me hope you're also looking at the chat with me. So let's move. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This was so much in line with our strategy, guys. You can see we are in an uptrend, and you identify an uptrend by the market moving upwards and it is breaking the previous highs. That is the easiest way you can see an uptrend. So let's see how it goes. All right, Brando is saying every day is a new learning day. Yeah, that's how it should be. Learning never stops. All right, another trade closed, and it only involved me following the trend. And like I always tell you guys, for trading while following the trend is the easiest way you can really make some profit out of the market. So let's move. Is it a live market, madam? Of course. All right, we are having some momentum here, guys. Let me hope you're seeing it. Sellers did there some good ride here. Let me hope you can see it. While you're here, guys, don't forget to mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? How is your Sunday? Tell me, how is your Sunday? I got new. All right, someone is saying, Ivy, you look good every day. I mean, thank you. Thank you. Honestly, as a lady, I love it when someone compliments me. I mean, it really excites me because why not? All right, someone is asking, how about Brent crude oil? Can you show us, please? For now, let us first stick to this. Yeah. Justin. Okay, Arindamsen saying, which app are you using? There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using right now, which is Pocket Options. Look at the camera and wink. Crazy. No, I am looking at the charts. I want to get moves, guys. But once in a while, I look in the camera and show. Kiran, the link is in the description. That's why you find the link. Oh. Guys, we are here this is a trading assembly. We are here to learn as we are also catching up good vibes. So feel free to ask any trading question you want to know. If you're not aware of the strategy that I trade with, you can ask, because I know some of you already know. But if you don't, ask. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask anything related to trading. And as traders, you can also share your experience. Did you execute any trades today? Did you look at your charts? This song is really nice for me, guys. Wow, okay. We get a plus here. Blind, how are you? Good to have you. Good to have you. All right, for all those that are asking me what is my strategy, it is pure price action. Yeah, I use pure price action to, so whenever I'm in the market, I look out for, I first understand the market direction. Am I in an uptrend? Am I in a downtrend? Because I'm the type of a trader who loves trend following. I also back it up with market structure. We all know market structure is king, and refine the entries with candlestick patterns. Yeah, I do not like complicating my trading. As a trader, you should look out, you should pick a few things that you can always look out for in the market, because trading, there is a lot of trading information circulated out there. So you're not going to really apply everything that you're going to learn from someone or you're going to see somewhere. You just pick a few things that are, oh my, I take an L there. Okay. That's not really nice. Let us look for more entries. Let us see how this goes. So, as I was still saying, guys, as a trader, there is a lot of information out there. You just pick a few things and you just consistently trade with those few things, because there's a lot of information about trading. You just need to pick a few things and be consistent with them. Actually, that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Because when I was a beginner, I think I have like about 10 strategies that I learned. So many. Last time I told you guys, there's a time, I think the last time I was like, I concluded as a trader, you know what, I'm going to just be looking out for these few things. So was when my friend was starting to teach me chart patterns. I don't know if you guys, if you know chart patterns, but chart patterns are like ascending triangle, bullish flag. There is also pendulum, something of that sort. That's when I was like, no, enough is enough. I'm going to just focus on one thing. And I just go with that, because at some point I was starting to get confused. If you have a lot of strategies, or if you know a lot of strategies, guys, you're going to be seeing everything. Because if you know chart patterns, you're really going to look at the market and you're going to see them. If you know price action, you're also going to be looking at the market and you're going to be seeing that. Now imagine yourself, if you do not speak those, you just pick out few things and you remain consistent with them. That's how you get to the other side. If I can learn too much, I'm still learning, but this helps a lot. All right, that's good. Keep learning never ends. Yeah, good to have you all. Good to have you all, guys. It's another beautiful Sunday. Someone is saying today is Sunday, gold is closed. I am trading OTC market. It is open 24/7. We are not limited by time here, guys. That chart looks scary. I know it. Sometimes the market gets messy, and messy, I mean it is moving sideways. Yeah, it can get crazy. It can really get crazy. All right, I see you, my friend from Germany. Crazy. What is price action, please? I don't know. Weren't you around when I was explaining, or you did not get what it means? Tell me if you really didn't get it. I'm ready for the context. All right, all right, all right. People are already getting warming up for the contest. Yeah, and if you want to be part of the participants, there's a donation link in the description. Yeah, you can use that. Oh, you've just joined the live. Okay, good to have you. Good to have you. At least I'm being honest. Feel like I failed you, cause I know what I failed you. Just stick around. I'm gonna explain it again. And I know, and I know, and I know. And I know, and I know, and I know. Guys, actually, I wanted to tell you as we get karaoke too. I don't know what that means, but why not? As a trader, you're supposed to create a good environment that relaxes your mind and you focus more on trading. And me, music helps me do that. Yeah, if I'm listening to some music, my mind will be focused on the market with some songs behind. All right, guys, I wanted to ask you, what do you do on your Sundays as a trader? What do you do on Sundays as a trader? Do you sit there and you plan your week, your trading week? Do you sit and plan your trading week? Do you sit and think about your previous trading week? Do you set trading goals for the week, or you just cruise? You just a trader that cruises. Guys, tell me how you spend your Sundays. Traders in the building, tell me how you spend your Sundays. Last All right, someone is saying they use Sundays to do a little research. That is good. That is good. Actually, those days when I was still so locked into learning, I would also use Sundays to do back testing. I don't know if you guys know back testing, but back testing, it is when you have a strategy and you test it on the market using historical prices. So meaning we are in 2026, you could go back and test your strategy from like 2025, the whole of the year, and you're just testing it on the market to see if it is really worth it, if you can really apply it in your trading. So mainly that's how I used to spend my Sundays those days when I was still so locked into learning. But I don't know how you guys are spending your Sundays. This is binary options trading, and let us move. All right, the live action. Okay. The live action says, I haven't done back testing. I look for the next opportunity, something that is getting hot. Okay. Yeah, but guys, most strategies are based on historical prices. So when we come in the market, when we come to the live market, we just anticipate based on our strategy that was built on historical prices, because every moment in the market is unique. However much a strategy could be showing something, when you are in a live market, it could move the other direction, because every moment in a live market is unique. The indicator I'm using is Keltina channel, and I do not only based on the indicator to execute, guys. Okay, take an L there. Oh my, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We take an L, but we also get a plus. So beautiful. Okay, someone is asking, is Keltina better than Bollinger Bands? I'm not in position to really conclude on which one is better, but anything that you feel like works for you, it is what you should stick to. Because one thing I know about trading, anything can work for you as long as you are consistent and disciplined. My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. Okay, let's move, let's move, let's move. Cat lover, good to have you. Good to have you, good to have you, my friend. Guys, tell me, I need to hear more views of how traders, you, my fellow traders, my bosses, my friends, my all, how you spend your Sundays. Tell me, guys. But I can taste you on the tip of my tongue. Okay, beautiful. All right, so someone, Cameron says chats and then charge. All right. All right. Feeling like that. The live action, I don't get your question, my friend. I'm in love. All right, let us try to continue with our downtrend. Like I said, guys, I always follow that trend, and it has been a downtrend. Yes, you play my hand. And now we're way up, dancing on the roof of the house. And then we made love right there on your best friend's couch. And then you say no, so keep on kissing them now and put that record on again. I don't wanna hear sad songs anymore. I wanna hear love songs. Good to have you all. Good to have you all, guys. Someone is saying, can you list of all the strategies you look for? I use one strategy and it's called pure price action. And pure price action involves looking at market structure. That is the way, understanding is the market moving upwards in series of higher highs and higher lows, or is the market moving downwards in a downtrend in series of lower highs and lower lows, and understanding the market direction. And I refine my entries with candlestick patterns. Mainly that is what I look out for in the market. Andre, I'm using the indicator with its default settings. Cause your song got me feeling like that. All right, let's go to the moon. Beautiful, beautiful. Today I am closed in loss. Sorry, my friend. Sorry, my friend, but losses are part of the game in trading. That's why they always say always trade with capital or money that you're willing to lose, because trading is very, very risky. Yeah. You know how they say trading is a zero-sum game. It's zero-sum. Let me help you guys, probability, because trading is all about having a probabilistic mindset, and you understand when I say zero-sum, meaning every loss you make, someone else is earning, is collecting a plus, and every plus you make, someone else is in a minus. That's how it is. Remain, good to have you, my friend. Good to have you. Good to have you. Oh, You're late again, but you're not so late. Stick around. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. All right, I'm seeing someone here saying I'm a forex trader and I switched to options and the experience has been good. I went from 1K to 15K. I mean, that is really, really nice. That is nice for you, my friend. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. My candlesticks are 5 seconds, guys, and my expiration time is 15 seconds. And guys, this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question you want to know. If you don't have any question, you can watch the market with me and dance. Mm-mm. So you can do that, you can do that, you can do that. So feel free to ask any trading question. A Teach us more, please. Of course, when I remember something, I mean, we are here for good vibes and sharing tips. Yeah. Okay, we are in a downtrend, as you can see. And a downtrend, you can confirm a downtrend when the market has been breaking the previous lows. As you can see here, the market has been moving. It pulls back, it breaks the previous low, it pulls back, breaks the previous low, and our trades close in a plus already. So with the downtrend, like I told you guys, I just follow it. I execute only sell trades, and let me hope you can really see this structure. And like I told you, with looking at market structure, you look out for strong points, and strong point is like now we are in a downtrend. It is always a high that push the market down to break the previous low. That's when you confirm that it's a strong point. And for example, here, if the market pulls back upwards and breaks that previous strong high, that is a sign that the market is switching bullish, and you can start anticipating buying because it takes a lot of movement to break a strong point. That is the easiest way you can understand market structure. And if you really do understand that concept of highs, strong highs and lows, it will help you eliminate the confusion and not following any random structure. He used to meet me on the east side of the city where the sun don't see. I'm interested in donations. I mean, there's a link in the description, donation link in the description. Yeah. So come away. Run away, love. Run away, love. Run away, love. Okay, nice, nice, nice. In the city where the sun don't set. She's in me on the east side, the city where the sun don't set. It's not gonna come in. Guys, when you make a donation, share a screenshot. Yeah, you share a screenshot for more confirmation. A all right. There's a link to my Telegram. You can share it there. Anyone saying I did not respond to my DMs, you are a liar. Because all DMs get replied to, guys. Unless you really not use, you're not really on my Telegram channel. So let's move. Okay, let's see. Wow, beautiful. Let us see how these close. We really caught on a very nice pullback here, guys. And it really turned out very well. Guys, all information about the donation is on the donation page. There's a link in the description for the donation link. Yeah, you can do that and find out more information. There's a link in the description for the broker I'm using. Yeah, link in the description. Guys, as you can see here, we're in an uptrend. I want to explain the structure. And the market pulled back. We sold. It pulled back again, but it didn't break the previous high. So this is a sign that you can really anticipate selling, and that's what we did here. Let me hope you get this. And let me hope you're watching the market so that whenever I'm explaining something, you can easily catch on. Let me hope you are easily catching on this whenever I explain a move. Unforgettable. Guys, we are not here to prove a point. No. We don't do that here. We are traders. We are here to share experience. And feel free to ask any trading question. I'll be ready to answer it. But I'm not here to justify anything. Beautiful. Guys, enjoy this song. Okay? But don't forget, we are watching the market. Nobody take me out though. You got gifts, bring them down to South Pole. Everything gotta put them out. Don't you worry about it, I go bring it out. I know, it's very crazy. I can a companion. It must be you. Body like a summer, fucking like no other. Don't you tell me, but you know I know what to do with it. I know what to do. Get that girl talking that. See if you got fool it. Whenever such gaps happen, you anticipate them being filled. Yeah, but you do not rush to justify that. I need no companion. It must be you guys. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question that you wanna know and keep eyes. Let us watch the market because I'll be explaining anything. Be ready to pick something. A.
8616, I got a missed call from your bitch. She been platinum for good. She wanna suck my dick and afford it. I let her in the shower when it's feeling fresh. It's some killer pussy I met on the internet. On my late night thirsty. Cause it was late night and I was thirsty. Girl, I've been to that kind of girl.
Can you teach me? Of course, every day I be here live 8 p.m. UK time sharing tips, and I also share videos on my YouTube channel. More about my strategy you can watch. Yeah, you can also be marking your attendance here and learn something. And this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any question you want to know about trading. We are not only here for good vibes. Let's go. Body like a summer. Oh my god, you guys are crazy. You guys are so crazy. Let's move to the moon. Someone said the moon. That's where we're heading. I need no companion. Baby girl, it must be you. Body like a summer. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description. All right. I saw someone saying, how do I start? Tell me, are you a beginner, or like today it's your first time to hear about something called trading, that it exists? What's the use? That's you. So I really don't understand. Code Sphere, why are you answering for him? Someone else commented, but someone else wants to answer for them. No, I need to get the answer from the person who already commented that. And the man is, yeah, watching is the easiest way you can learn, especially since I've been explaining my strategy over and over again. If you also start looking out for those things I keep telling you guys, you start seeing them and they'll start making sense to you. But there is one thing that I cannot teach you, and that is patience and discipline. That has to come from you. If you should choose me, oh my love. Okay. We are already having some good structure here, guys. Let me hope you can see it. Yeah, some days or sometimes in the market, you can find a pair that is really giving you good market structure that you can really read and understand. And there are some days when the market gets messy. So you have two options when you are in the messy market. You can either just change a pair and go to another one, and you find that is easier for you to read and understand, or you can give it some time and stay away from the market. That's the easiest way of how to handle a messy market, because our goal as traders, we are supposed to really protect our capital. Once you have no capital, you will not be able to make the money. Yeah, and once you cannot trade, you get depressed. Ah. Okay, my friend is saying you're depressed. I understand depression that comes from trading, honestly. I've literally experienced most trading bad days, and it was all coming from lack of discipline and being not being patient. Yeah. So when I tell you guys, if you're not patient and disciplined, even if you have the best strategy, you'll still be finding yourself getting depressed. And there's nothing that depresses like when you do not have capital to trade. I feel like it's more depressing than even just making losses. If you fall with it, put your hands to the sky. How can that make sense when I got millions on my mind? Someone, someone in the comments wants us to justify something, but how can that make sense when we got millions on my mind? There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm. Dedication. Look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. I was patient. Yeah, I was patient. Oh, oh. Now we made it. Yaninga, girl. Alright, but gold gaps are more crazy. Champagne. Top floor lifestyle. Malone. Guys, let me hope you're really enjoying that song. Yeah. I've loved this song ever since it came out. I remember they played it for me so much on my graduation. Non-trading graduation, guys. I got into trading after school. They never had a dedication. Look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. Gold isn't open. How are you trading? My friend, I'm trading OTC market. It is open 24/7. We are not limited by time here, guys. How many times must I say that? OTC market, we don't get limited by time here. I'm not getting what you're saying, my friend. I don't get you. I don't get you. For you. Alright, someone is asking who is Keltina channel. It is the blue lines you're seeing right now on my chart. It is Keltina channel and it is an indicator. Though I do not only base on my entries on the indicator, and if you're wondering how I use the indicator, it is simple. I look out for breakouts either to the downside, and if they break out to the downside, I start anticipating selling momentum, but I do not just rush to conclude that sellers are in the market. I have to look at other confluences. So the opposite is true for the indicator, meaning if it breaks out to the upside, I start anticipating buying, but I wait for other confluences. I include more confluences in my trading simply because as a trader, you do not just look out for one thing. You would want to get more confluences for you to be more comfortable to execute trades, and you have no emotional attachment to them since you have had very many confirmations. Basically, that's what I look out for, my friend who was asking about the indicator. I didn't get sugar in my spaghetti sauce. Fire burn. What man? Oh my, that was a crazy move. Let us get another entry. Come with the laser. All right. There's a link in the description, guys, for all those that are asking for the platform. Please. So let us keep moving. And guys, if you're watching and you really understand my concept of market structure, you can really understand what's happening now. Guys, why are you asking me to look at you? Let me first be looking at the charts because we really have to get the moves. Yeah. Should I go first? I can decide. I want to, but Dame. Why do you laugh? You don't wait on line no more. You don't make it ring. All right. Guys, you can see these three red candles here. They were really a signal of price rejection and sellers losing momentum. And you can see what happened after. We had some buying momentum. That's why I told you understanding really the concept of candlesticks will help you refine your entries and get to understand the market to a certain level. Guys, all those that sent donation, please send your screenshot for confirmation. Yeah. Cat Lover, how are you? You are the one asking. I look in the camera, so let me hope you have seen me. I have just done that. I just miss you, baby. All those that sent in your donations, please send a screenshot for more confirmation. Azal Imran. There's a link in the description for the platform. Okay. So let's move. Yeah, I did speak your name. Mm-mm. All details about the donations are on the donation page. Yeah, link is in the description. Donation link in the description. You can find out everything from there. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. It's running in circles. So guys, while you're here, don't also forget to subscribe, because I be sharing some nice videos and I don't want you to miss them out. Oh my. Okay. How long have you been trading? 4 years, but my first 2 years were just purely for learning. That doesn't mean I was not really executing trades. I was executing trades, but still there were crazy moves, just crazy moves. My first 2 years of trading, I was just in games. Yeah, I locked in later when I realized that it is discipline that was keeping me inconsistent and making me make more losses. Season change and the love went cold. Good to have you all, guys. Mark your attendance. Tell me where you're watching from. I want to know where you're watching from. Roll around in a circle. Needless say and keep a check. So let us get into our next move and see how it turns out. Beautiful. She was a baba, nevertheless. I know what I felt. Ooh, something to just refused. Alright. Let me hope you guys are watching the market. Like I told you, observing is also part of a good skill a trader can have. Yeah, when I was still also learning, I would really be looking at you for trading. And by the way, you can learn something when someone is doing something. You can learn something, either discipline, either patience, either you look at how they execute their entries and you refine more your strategy. And I say that you know.
You don't wanna be alone. I know I always come and go. But it's not you left me with dust.
And as I step by you, you're the sunflower.
I think you love me too much. But you be left in the dust. It's a step by you. You're a sunflower. You're a sunflower.
Fighting for my trust and I won't back down. We are in an uptrend. Structure here is really understandable. And guys, all those are wondering the strategy I'm using is poor price action. So whenever you hear me say structure, I be meaning market structure because it's part of the things I follow as a pure price action trader. So you can see your structure is really moving in an uptrend. The market is breaking previous highs, pulls back, it breaks previous highs. And the best way to trade, the easiest way to trade an uptrend is waiting for a pullback. Then you ride on with it. If you are not really an aggressive trader, I know there are those aggressive traders who can just want to jump in, but sometimes it's kind of risky if you go it that way. They want to make the fingers for the haters. So let me hope you guys are understanding that higher than the skyscraper. The proof is in the paper. Hey, hey. This race. I put my heart into this game like I open my chest. We only pray for more ends while you hope for the best. We make these plays when I'm finessing these checks. Time's up for everybody. I'm collecting on debts. And I swear champagne just tastes better on jets. Papa from my day ones. The haters, it's only getting greater. So let's move. Wow, beautiful. The proof is in the paper. Guys, this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. I mean, feel free. We are here to share experience as traders and also catch up good vibes. And I can see the comments. You guys enjoy my music tests. Yeah, so that's you're not just learning skills from me, you're also enjoying my music test. By the way, guys, at some point in my life, I think when I was still a teenager, somehow I felt like I could become a DJ. So I think that you can trust my music test because of that. I always felt like I would become a DJ, though my parents didn't really find that cool or interesting. Dexa, I'm using the indicator with its default settings. Guys, this is a reminder to you all, you cannot trade with me on the stream because YouTube has a time lag. Yeah, just come here, learn something. Yeah, just come to learn, then you practice on your own. Brand, there is a link in the description for my Telegram, both the group and yeah, you can reach out to me through that. All right, I see you, Thiago from Brazil.
You making it hard for me. But you a little caramel like my girl. You really need to run my girl. You in the kitchen with the dishes on the counter. You the through the first lick. And I hit you with a counter switch. Hit you on the counter cause you love fries. I'ma hit you with a late test. I gave you love and you even on my call, I pull up on your face. Back to back orgasm, no you can't take that. Scorpio girl, I can tell how you take that. Over 2 rounds after that we can shake back. One more time. Don't listen to your friends, they tell you lie. I'm looking for a shorty that's gon' ride.
Just need some loyalty, someone who can ride for me. Boy, just makes my loyalty. Swear you won't give up on me, boy. Just need some loyalty, someone who gon' ride for me. Boy, just makes my loyalty. Swear you won't give up on me. There's a link in the description for all those that are asking about the platform, guys. So let us, you know how we do it when we are in an uptrend, we continue to buy. That's how we make our trading easier, not complicating stuff, guys. Right for me. You never for me. Some loyalty. Need some loyalty. When do you enter trades? If you are in an uptrend, the easiest way to enter a trade is waiting for a pullback. Yeah, then you continue with it. Because whenever the market is trending, obviously, after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback. And in an uptrend, and a break of structure happens when a previous high is broken, then the market pulls back. Yeah, so when you catch on that pullback and you go back up with the market, that is the easiest way to execute trades in an uptrend. I'm telling you beyond your way. When I told you to fall back, so can you come pick up your clothes? I have them. Crazy timing, I know. And it is really so much satisfying to catch on a very crazy or like a simple move, because sometimes the market really offers those simple entries or easier entries that are so in line with every confluence you look out for in the market. All right, guys, excuse me. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Garden. So if you wanna go that way, I'll be waiting for you to come pick up your clothes. I do for me. Meet me at the door. Why be That's how the chats are always moving, guys. Yeah, the market is always moving. So, guys, we do not predict the market. No one has the right. No one can ever give you the prediction of the market because every day the market moves in a unique way. We just anticipate. You look at candlestick patterns that are forming, then you anticipate because you can see, for example, an engulfing pattern like here how you saw it, and engulfing means this is a bullish engulfing. That is a sign that you can start anticipating buying, but you can never know that it is really going to. No one can predict the market, guys. Mobster. If you really made that donation, it will be seen as long as you stated everything according to the rules. It will be seen. Let me hope I've answered you, my friend. Yeah, once you make peace with yourself that you cannot predict the market, it will make your trading easier, guys. It will give you peace and freedom from the market because no one has the right direction. We just anticipate based on what we are looking at that exact time. And you better look fucking good when you do it. Call me lucky. Guys, actually this is a reminder. Whenever I'm analyzing the market, I do not only look at one time frame, I look at other time frames. That is the easiest way you can understand market direction. Like I always told you, if you are on a higher time frame and the market is trending upwards, so if it offers signs of pulling back, that pullback is going to happen on a lower time frame and it's going to be a trend. Let me hope that makes sense. That makes sense to you. Sorry, that makes sense to you. Yeah, whenever you see, same like here, guys, I can see a candlestick pattern and I show you this is a single candle on a higher time frame because that's how you understand and see a bigger picture of the market. Let me hope that helps you understand, guys. And that is called market. That is called multi-time frame market analysis. Good to have you, Michael. Good to have you, Lusk. Good to have you, Trevor. Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you. and you better look fucking good when you do it. Okay. I'm trading OTC market. It's open 24/7. We are not limited by time here. So for us, always the markets are open since it is OTC market. There's a link in the description for the platform that I'm using right now. All right, guys, today we are going to just continue with our personal trades. Yeah. The donation will go on tomorrow. Today, let us do personal trades only as I'm explaining more about my strategy and all that. Yeah, we are going to do all the contestants tomorrow. But you don't trust niggas, no. But they still trust you. They still fuck with you. Anything you do, everything's for you. Those who have any questions, ask today. We have to learn, guys. All those that have questions, trading questions, feel free to ask. When we are not only here to catch up good vibes, also share as traders. So feel free to ask any trading question you want to know. Every lost girl I know is over 26. Every lost girl I know is just too afraid to admit. They take me, they take, I buy you like a savage. Give and take, you give it to them, they take the shit away. Different day. All right, guys, this is a trading assembly, but someone is asking, will you go out with me, Ivy? I mean, guys, I already told you my things that I want for someone to go out with me. You have to give me 100K USD. You have to buy me a Ferrari, and at most you have to propose to me in Dubai at Burj Khalifa. So let me hope, Trevor, you have all those. You meet the criteria, then we are good to cruise. But if not, nah, my friend. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. Yeah, no need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with friends. So guys, feel free to ask any trading question. Can you explain the logic while taking the trades, please? Okay, why not? So obviously here, since the market has been forming an uptrend, I'm only taking these trades as a pullback entry, because after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback. And you can see here the market had broken the previous high. If you can see structure very well. So, and after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback. Let me hope you have got that. No one does like this, no one's never better than the summer of 2002. Okay, okay. So let us watch and see what's coming up next. And great explanation. I would love more of those. All right, of course. Just keep around, just keep around. I always get to explain. I mean, we are not only here for good vibes, we also look at, we share tips. Someone is saying I tell you a story. I already told you a story, guys, about how I wanted to become a DJ at some point in my life. I would collect music from all parts of the world. That's the truth, because I'm a person who loves music, and I kept on collecting all the songs. But my dream died before it actually started. Those days I was still young, and I didn't have a laptop. And a laptop is an essential for a DJ. Same like a trader, laptop is an essential to you. Where we sang songs with all our childhood friends. Oh no. Hold up. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Baby, so let's move, let's move. So guys, if you can also share with me your hobbies or things you really wanted to, careers you wanted to pursue before you discovered trading. And guys, I also told you at some point I was going to, actually I have a song. I've ever been to a studio also. I have a rap song, but I was just backing up my friend. Yeah. Igo is asking how to send donation for trading. There's a donation link in the description. Yeah, you can use that. Turn this off. Okay, nice, nice. We're closing a plus. Just like nicotine, heroin, morphine. Good to have you all. Good to have you all, guys. I see you all, but let us move. Let us move. Let us move. All right, someone is asking about my strategy. The strategy is simple, my friend. It is pure price action, where I look at market structure, market direction, and I refine my entries based on candlestick patterns. Just like heroin, morphine. We are really moving to the moon. That is what I look out for. That's what I always look out for. Sunrise, that's what I always look out for in my strategy. Let me hope you've got it. Someone is giving us an example of a candlestick pattern, and they are saying engulfing. Yes, engulfing is a candlestick pattern that involves a candle covering the previous candle's whole body. So if you are in an uptrend and you see, if you're in a downtrend and you see a candlestick pattern forming at a pullback, but it is a green candle covering a red candle with all its body, you can anticipate that buyers could be coming in big. That is how you can read and apply candlestick patterns in your charts. Maybe the same. Turn it off. Oh my, oh my, oh my. So let us move again. Okay, beautiful. We had a short pullback here and we got in again. And indeed our trades have closed in a plus. The one man could change the world. Someone is asking, do you look at a higher time frame simultaneously? If I have to, I do, but not simultaneously. I do it, but not that I always look at it. Once I get a bigger picture after doing analysis, I just understand, because you can look at the chart and you know that this pair is in an uptrend. So you just have it at the back of your mind whenever you're on a lower time frame and you move with that. Success is on the way, I feel it in the distance. Used to look up at the stars and be like, ain't too much that's different. I be shining, they be shining. Get you one shot, don't you miss it. What you know about waking up every day like you on a mission? And I hope you know to make it on your own. And if you love yourself, you'll never be alone. Someone wants me to increase the stake. No, let us first go with this. I mean, I think it's okay. Change the world. My grandma told me, if you write your name slow, you'll never get the White House. I granted out that black hole there before them at the White House, standing next to Shakari. We traded stories to laugh. I said, you're not the only one I know got rich. You're welcome, guys. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question that you want to know. I mean, because why not? So feel free to ask any trading question you want to know. Extra. The time frames I look out are 5 minutes, 3 minutes, and this. Since I execute on very lower time frame, I just look out for that. But guys, actually, as a trader, you're supposed to have your own experience. You're supposed to have your own experience as a trader, so you don't conclude because I look at those time frames that you should also look out for them. You can also have your own time frames. How did you learn? Apparently, I did not get to learn how to apply those chart patterns. Let me hope you meaning the chart patterns, not candlestick patterns. Because chart patterns are like the bullish flag, ascending triangle, those things. Someone was trying to teach me, and I saw it was going to just complicate my trading, and I didn't really get to learn how to apply them in the market. I just heard of them, and I was like, enough is enough. I stopped there. Wow, we're having so much silence. That song took long to play, by the way.
Two steps ahead like C. Fit isn't fitting, I'm born like Greek. I'm V, I'm she, now you know he. Black cool prints gon' hug my cheeks. But I look like being cussed. And rock these pants like a freaking dress. 100K, I'll see no less. And my name engraved on American Express.
Did on my own before.
Toronto, chicks believe my whole wardrobe paid for by me.
Did it on my own before I was famous. Schedule busy. I don't plan on changing.
I look amazing, no your books still ain't been nothing to play with. Get that money, sis. Keep them money too. They were trying to press you, but you ain't pressed on. I'm way too fine to be inside. I'm outside, having my own, booking my own trips. Don't ever.
All right, someone is asking, where did you learn candlesticks from? I think there is that common PDF that I think that everyone has. I don't know if you have heard of the Candlestick Trading Bible. Yeah, I think I learned from there. Candlestick Trading Bible. But you know, you learn candlesticks in the books, but you have to look for them in the charts until they make sense to you. You get? So I don't know if you guys have heard of that Candlestick Trading Bible ish. My strategy, in a few words, it's pure price action, just looking at market structure, looking at market direction, looking at candlestick patterns. I am humongous, I am resourceful, I am better than I can be. And that's on me. INDEPEIGNT. All right, someone is asking, what do you mean by market structure? The market moves in structures. You know, markets do not move like a straight curve. If you are in an uptrend, the market will make a high, then pull back, and it makes a low, then it pushes up again, and it makes another high, and it breaks a previous high. Then after breaking that previous high, it pulls back. That is what market structure means, and that is how the markets move and operate. They do not move as a straight curve. They move like that, and that's what it means. Let me hope I've answered you. Feel the best in the tiny dresses. And what I've been explaining right now, it is what is happening on the charts. You can see we are in an uptrend. Market moves up, pulls back, it creates another high, it pulls back, it moves like that. And the opposite is true for a downtrend. But in India gold market, Guys, I'm trading OTC market. It's open 24/7. 24/7. Most girls work hard go far we are. The lines the blue lines you're seeing, it is the indicator code Keltina channel. I use it also. You guys are crazy. That's true. Yeah, just so tired because I feel so right in some girl. Every day so to be and I like because I just. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Somebody that you can. Guys, you know how we do it here? When you are in a downtrend, just go with just executing executing sales. That is the easiest way you can trade as a trader. For we are unstoppable. The fight to make every day. So guys, let me hope you're already preparing for your next, you're preparing for Monday. I know most traders, they take a break on weekends and they be chilling, which is okay, which is very, very okay. But let me hope you're ready to face the markets tomorrow. Jessica, salu, how are you? I love you too, guys. So let's keep moving. The strategy is pure price action. We do not complicate things here. Long hair, no wedding ring.
She got the white dress when she's wearing last. When you know that she drives me crazy. The brown beautiful smile. You know I love watching you do your thing. I love her hips, curves, lips say the words. TM mommy, I kiss her. This love is like a dream.
So join me this way. Push up on. Oh my God. We take an L there. Come stop in the border with me. Come stop in the border with me. All right, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question you wanna know. Guys, discipline is key in the market. It's not like any opportunity that you see, you should take it. Sometimes you can get trapped, so I really think you should execute trades when you're really in line with your strategy. Come stop in the border with me. Diamond. I'm in the border, be free. Come stop in the border with me. You never live to risk your life. So let us watch for another good move. Let us watch and see if we are gonna catch another good move. Macarena. Softball. Mhm. Let's see if we can get another move. Get in there, let them do it all. I'm in this space. I'm in. My timing. I'm in the world of everything. Mr. G. There's a link in the donation link in the description. You'll find all details about the donation in the on the donation page. Okay, nice. Guys, you can see here we have a very nice candlestick pattern. Down here, you can see a red candle that was fully covered by the body of a green candle. This is what it means to be engulfed. So you can start anticipating buying, and let us see how it goes. Beautiful. It has really given us a plus. Raphael, I have 4 years in trading. Yeah. So it just took me, I would say my first year in trading was really to learn. Teach me how to dance. 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 For those who don't know me, how to daggy. So me if you work. So me do me da 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 da. Let me a deserve. Raphael, I think I already answered you unless you are not hearing. Okay, nice. Guys, focusing in trading is whenever you're starting your trading session, you come ready to focus, because if you do not focus, you miss out on the move. So you have to prepare yourself, clear your mind before you start your session, so that whenever you're looking at the charts, you're just looking at those particular things and you know you're just going to trade. So you you didn't hear me. I have spent 4 years in trading, but my first year it was just for PRE and PRE learning. Yeah. It was just purely for learning. You need to get down, 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 or you'll come over.
We just need to slow the motion. Don't get it away that no one knows.
When I see potential, I'm sort of see through.
If you had a twin, I'm
Still choose you.
I don't want to rush into it if it's too soon.
But I know you need to get down, 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 down. Come over.
Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me off. Yeah.
I speed on my motion and I'm sorry.
Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling?
You just need to face to face. Let me hope you guys are ready for tomorrow. Yeah, we'll come here same time, 8 p.m. UK time, and you tell me how your Monday was. Na, 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 na. Mm. Mm. Who taught you how to trade? I mean, how do you learn? You only learn when you are consistent, because yes, you're going to be getting information everywhere, but it will not make sense unless you practice it in the chat. That's why I always tell you guys, show up every now and then, look out, practice. The more you are in the market, the more you start seeing the moves, the more you start practicing patience. Because I mean, right now you can understand how moves come about in the market, so you'll be patient to wait for a good move. That's wrong. All right. Someone said they have just subscribed. Yeah, keep subscribing, guys, because I'm going to be sharing more and more videos about my strategy. So feel free. Bam, bam. Now. Yeah, get ready, turn up with the big boys. That's my choice. I'll be funny. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using right now. Wow, something crossed my eye. I love to get to one. Let's roll. You guys are crazy. Please leave me. Please leave me. Someone is asking to be my Jay-Z. No. Just give me the keys and we can walk in now. Just give me the keys and we can roll in now. All my enemies are see. Okay, beautiful move here. Let us see if buyers are going to maintain this move. Let us see if they are going to maintain it. My strategy is simple. Best commodity is price action. Yeah, just understand market direction, add on market structure, and back it with candlestick patterns. That's how I do it.
Yo, he ain't messing with no average chick. Pop, pop. He got Nicky, he know that he hit the jackpot. A baller trying to score jackpot. But I hit him with them prawn, hit the doubt blocks. Eat the cake, give him
Suck on my toes, yes.
hitting them home runs.
We are just continuing with the trend. Let us see how it goes.
I'm just trying to get to know ya. Get a little closer, baby, closer. Do you mind? 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 Do you mind?
Oh my, oh my. Let us wait and see if we can get another move. Let me be the one, maybe you deserve better. Do you mind if I talk to you? Mais, good to have you. What's up, guys? Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? And you know how we do it here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. We are always here, catching up good vibes and sharing. As traders, tomorrow is gonna be Monday, guys. I know it has been a weekend for all of you, or most of you. Let me hope you're ready for the markets tomorrow. Let me hope you're ready for the markets tomorrow. Maybe by the way I touch you, know what I'm saying. Yeah, and all those that want to reach out to me, there's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. There's a link in the description for my Telegram. And the platform I'm using right now, it's Pocket Options. There's a link in the description for it. And there's also a link, all those that are asking about the donations and all that, there's a link in the description for the donations. Yeah, feel free to check them out. No, you know. Let me be the one, baby, you deserve better. You know. I'm a do Never treat you like a groovy. Kind of married, didn't start eating.
Still in the trap, but I like my booty. 2 cups of time for excuse me with my mom. I can hold you down, be your friend and your lover. You want my new society, you want Celine? Top back, trimming, money ain't a thing. Seen the Fuji wagons in my driveway. FaceTime, 2 black bumpers by my fireplace. Fell out with you people, so you took the pictures down. Instagram ain't been the same since you so distant now. Took you shopping in other places that I won't name. First time your friends really got to see all
All right. More videos are coming up, of course. More videos are coming up. Oh, do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? Just in case you need me. Tell me what to do, tell me what to do, tell me what to do when you see a bad bitch in front of you, baby. Assume the position. Guys, we are in a downtrend, so let us see how our sales close. Let us see how our sales close. Beautiful. Don't forget, guys, we are already at 8 p.m. UK time, so come around, catch good vibes, and also learn something.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for the niggas so cheap. And your flex so deep, your sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a thing, now you ballin'. You just took it off a line on mileage. Where they hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent.
Someone is asking, how long are you trading today? I'm about to close, but we can still be here and watch the market and see how far we can go. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna last name. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You Celebrations. Damn things. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. All right, let us look for more entries. Sweet like Pearland, sweet like peach. All right, beautiful, beautiful. All right. This has been a very smooth ride to the upside. Anyways, we have added our 50k to our goal, so let us call it a good night. So see you tomorrow, guys, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Make it on time. We catch up good vibes and more trades and learn more and more. There's a link in the description for my Telegram. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using, which is Pocket Options. And there's also a donation link in the description for all those that want to contest. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Okay.